Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's lesson I want to teach you how to play E minor 7. E minor 7. So let's get started. So that's the sound of E minor 7, E minor 7. To make this chord, you just place finger number 1 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then finger number 4, your little finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings but the top string. That is E minor 7. Okay, again, you can lift off your fingers, place them back on. If you just notice that shape is kind of a slanted, straight slant shape. So that'll help you remember the shape of the E minor 7. So again, quick review. Finger number 1 is on string number 5 of the 2nd fret. Finger number 2 is directly underneath that on string number 4 of the 2nd fret. And then your ring finger is on string number 2 of the 3rd fret, and your little finger remains on string number 1 of the 1st fret, and then your little finger remains on string number 1 of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings but the top string. E minor 7. Okay, to learn how to play other guitar chords, be sure and visit my playlist in the description below. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button afterwards. And also, if you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription so I can easily be found when new videos have been uploaded. So have a great day. God bless you.